In today's video, I will teach you how to design your own birthday invitation in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the home page, type in the keyword birthday invitation on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the thousands of available birthday invitation templates in Canva's template library. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. And to start from a custom size page, you can simply click on the Create a Design option at the upper right corner of the screen and click on a custom size, then input your desired width and height. Once you've opened your canvas or your chosen template, you can now start to customize it. To edit the text, simply click on the text that you would like to edit, and on the top panel, you can change the font style, the font size, and the color of the text. Canva also has different text presets if you would like to be more creative. To do this, simply open the Text tab and choose among the text combination presets, then drag and drop your chosen preset onto your page. You can also import your own images from your computer in the Uploads tab. Or you can use Canva's free stock images in the Photos tab. You can also make some adjustments and apply filter onto your pictures by clicking on the Edit Image button at the top panel. Just play around with the settings until you're satisfied. If you wish to add graphics and illustration onto your invitation, simply open the Elements tab and drag and drop illustrations and graphics onto your page. To add some personal flair to your design, you can customize the color scheme of the elements by simply clicking on the illustration or graphic that you would like to edit. And on the top panel, simply select the color that you would like to replace and choose among the color available on Canva's palette. And to save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the format of your file. I highly recommend using PNG or JPG as a file format. But Canva also has a print on demand option. To order prints, simply click on the Share button at the top panel and select Order Prints and type in Invitation on the search bar. Here, you can select either a landscape or portrait invitation, and Canva will automatically resize your design to fit the card, and you can still edit your design up to this point. Canva also lets you choose the paper type, paper finish, and set the number of copies that you would like to get printed. However, some paper types are limited to certain countries. For reference, here's the list of paper types available per region. And once you're satisfied with the settings, we can now go ahead and proceed to checkout to complete your order. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.